In this video, you'll learn a simple trick for making hard things feel easier, and you'll get to enjoy some of this. Laughter for easy productivity? There's actual research. You'll see. Be sure to watch through to the end for simple strategy ideas and another dose of this. Say yes to enjoying your life by subscribing to this channel and look for the bell icon to see future videos. And visit joyfulbeing.com if you yearn to experience more joy. Welcome to the Joyful Being with Kim channel. I'm your host, the Laughter Lady, also known as Kim McIntyre. I remember back in college being paired up with this girl that I didn't know to do a task that on the surface seemed pretty easy. We had to put these signs in windows, but it turned out to be a really hard task. We had to work really hard to get all these different things lined up just right, and it was really difficult. And the thing is, she and I just kept cracking each other up the whole way through the process. And not only did it make it more fun, we really stuck with it and got it done right. Plus, later on, she turned out to be a really good friend because you can always use more people in your life who make you laugh, right? Two researchers from the Australian National University found that people who watched a funny video before doing a tedious task stuck with that task twice as long as the people who watched a non-funny video first. You mean laughter can make you more productive? The results in that study are the opposite of what most people think. Humor and laughter are viewed as distractions from productivity, not things that make you actually work at hard tasks longer. But they repeated that study twice and got the exact same results. Is there a tedious task that you need to get done soon? Or maybe a task that you've been procrastinating forever to just get started on it? If so, I invite you to join me in using the power of laughter and humor to not only get started on that task, but to make it easier and to stick with it and to get it done. I have a number of tedious tasks that I really need to get done this week. And so I am going to tap into that power of laughter and use it to make it feel easier, because that's one of the things laughter does. It makes the tough stuff feel easier and more fun. And it'll also give me the energy and give you the energy to stick with it. I figure I can either be stressed and miserable, slogging through it, pushing myself to get it done. Been there, done that. Or I can use laughter to make it easier, and so can you. So here are those strategy ideas that I promised you at the beginning of the video. Just like the people in the study, you can watch a funny video first before you get started. There's plenty of funny things to find on the internet, on YouTube, on TV. There is a playlist on my channel called the Laughter Playlist, which you can use to get your own chuckle going. I will leave that link for you in the video description, or you can just go to playlists on my channel and look for the laughter one. Another idea is to find somebody to keep you company while you do it and make each other laugh. So they can either do the task with you, the task that you need done, because two people makes things go a lot faster, or they can bring one of their tasks that they're having trouble getting started on or finishing, and together you can be working on your own separate tasks, but then sharing laughter back and forth now and then, just fueling you to keep going. One more idea is to think about the types of things that make you laugh, and then include those either before and or during the project. Maybe take a little mini laughter break and then come back to it, and then do some more work and then laugh some more. And so you sprinkle the laughter throughout the task itself, in addition to laughing beforehand like the people in the research study did. Like with my friend in college, how we kept cracking each other up during the task, and that helped us to stick with it and get it done. Remember, laughter doesn't just make you feel good. It's actually a powerful tool that you can use to your advantage in your life. Plus, it's fun. So, until next time, keep finding your sense of humor, and keep making space in your life for plenty of this.